Let's take a look at objectives of non-qualified plans. Non-qualified plans are established to serve employer and employee interests. Non-qualified plans are designed to serve both employers and employees, primarily targeting executives and highly paid professionals. For employers, these plans help attract top talent and encourage long-term retention, while employees benefit from accumulating more retirement savings beyond IRS limits and deferring tax. Companies use non qualified plans mainly for two objectives: restoring retirement income restricted by qualified plan limits and providing supplemental executive retirement benefits. Restoration plans make up for benefits lost due to IRS caps, while SERPs go further by offering executives significantly higher retirement benefit. Unlike qualified plans, non qualified plans often fail to meet ERISA standards for coverage, funding, and non discrimination, which is why they don't receive the same favorable tax treatment. Employers can choose between funding these plans, securing future benefits with trust funds or insurance, or leaving them unfunded, which poses risks to executives if the company faces insolvency. Decisions about funding often depend on competition, corporate culture, and liability management. Non qualified plans can be categorized into excess benefit plans, which extend existing qualified plans, and SERPs, which provide more generous supplemental benefits. These arrangements highlight the tension between rewarding executives competitively while balancing regulatory restriction and company financial obligation. Non qualified plans remain a crucial tool for companies to secure and reward their leadership team.